Good morning, YouTube family. Welcome. Morning. Hello. How are you? Today we're going to see Goslotto 550. If it's the first time, please subscribe, like, and share. Yes, we have the new strategy that we're gonna use today. Let's start. And before that, please subscribe, like, and share. Join our WhatsApp group. You can WhatsApp me on this number so that I can add you on WhatsApp group. To join my WhatsApp group, say strictly 100 rand, but you pay only one time. You don't pay again, meaning that we will be staying on this group forever without paying anymore. Yes, so I'm waiting for you. That is my WhatsApp group. Thank you. You can WhatsApp this number to join. I'm a forex trader. You can join my forex trading classroom if you want to make money as a forex trader now. Let's go. The new strategy is to use the last two numbers, but they must be in a draw order. The last two numbers in a draw order, we are having this. For example, here, it's 23. What they do, they separate that 23. Then they play 2 and 3. So 2 was played as 20. Here is 26. Supposed to be 26, so 60 was the one which is remaining. Then they choose to do minus 10. But however, our 23 again came here. Meaning you can keep your number as the code of the next draw as well. Right? Let's go. So now that we see 26, we have a 6 and we have a 2 or 20, and the 6 can be 9. So these are the numbers we're supposed to play on this draw and in the other draw. So many they are using those numbers in the both consecutive draws. But here we have a 48 when you add the numbers together, which came straight away. You can also separate to play 4 and 8 or 40. Right? So these numbers, you can see that 48, even though 48 played, we still remain with 4 and 8 and 40. Meaning since we have a 20, 30, 40 also can drop. If it's the first time, please subscribe, like, and share. Alright, so that was also the strategy. So now we are for this one. We have a 33 plus this one, which is 81. So this 81 can give you 18. Then 81 can give you 1 and 8. 1 and 8, 1 can be 10 as well. Yes, so this is the new strategy, guys. So we move to the second one. The second one is to take these numbers sitting here, alright, but in a numerical order. The small numbers, the first two small number, then for example here, we have when you add here we have a 23. Remember also we had a 23 that the 23 didn't come since it was hot, then they play to the next draw. Here we have a 25. 25 came as it is. 25 is a 2 and a 5 and a 20. Here is a 5, 20 is here, and the 2 is there. Right? I hope you understand. Meaning that you are keeping your numbers again to the other draw. Here we have 17, right? 17 is 1 and the 7 and the 10. And the 17 as it is. So meaning on the next draw, we have 1 played there. We are waiting for 17. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. The 17 is always like to be multiplied by 2. It's going to be 34. That's how it is. Alright. Then, since 1 and 7 came, you keep your numbers to the next draw. Right? Let's go. Here we have a 22. Then 22 plays as it is. Since it is 17, they try to split, they play only one. Then we have 22, right? 22 is as it is. Since we have also here 25 as it is. So 22 going as it is. 22 as it is. That is how it is. And thank you so much. Alright, the third one is take these numbers, you do minus. So when you do minus, you can see it gives us 4. It will go always give, so 16 minus 20 is still, you can see it's still the same number. It's 4. In order for you to get the bonus, is 4 or 5 or 3. So the bonus was supposed to be 3 or 5. So that's where 5 came from, and our one that we get. That when you can see 16, 20, 16, 20, 16, 20 every way, right? So we have 4 again, right? We have a 4. Then here 4 can come. Then also since we have a 2, 16, 30 here repeated, it can give us 36. It's going to give us 36. Then 4 is confirmed here, or 40. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, like, and share. So that is the strategy to win Goslotto 749. To do minus the second number, to do minus the first two number, and to plus or minus this number. And the other one is take the bonuses plus or minus this number. So meaning you take 1 plus or minus 1, 1 plus or minus, 1 plus or minus, 1 plus or minus, 1 plus or minus, right? And when you check our numbers that are sitting there, they didn't change the seat. This number all remain on the same seat, so meaning that 1 minus each other plus each other and so on. 1 minus each other plus each other and so on. One minus each other and plus each other. Since they didn't change the seat, look, they didn't change the seat. Yeah, those are the strategy as well. Since they didn't change each, so plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1. And then you do one this number minus that one, and so on. So we do minus, here we get 18, here we get 10, here we get 3, here we get 15. Thank you so much. I'm gonna read the number. We have 22, 4, 40, we have 1, 8, 36. We have 18, 10, 17, 34, 25, 32, 3, and 25. And when you do plus or minus 1, you will get more numbers here. I will see you once again. Bye bye.